Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can send a message inside your Google Groups from your group email or from your member email. You can switch between these. So let us get started. So head over to your group overview on Google Groups here under My Groups to the left. Select the given group and then click into Start a Conversation. Now, this will open up the new conversation window here in the bottom right, like on Gmail. It looks pretty similar. So you can enter the subject here, the text below, customize the text, format it, for example, insert images, change the font style, and so on and so forth. Now, let us skip all of this. So what you will need to do, guys, before you send the message by clicking into Post Message here inside your conversation overview here in the group, you can switch between between various senders, like you, the sender, as the group member here, which will be set to default, but you can also click into the drop-down menu and switch to the group email, as you can see here, right? And you will find the group email also in the About section of the group here, on the left-hand side. That's it. Or if you're the admin or owner and have access to the group settings, navigate to group settings. And here under general, you will see the group email. You can change it, customize it here to use it for communication and for sending messages either as a member or as a whole group, right? Or on behalf of the group. If you're the owner or admin and you want to send a message, as the group, as the entity. And that's it, guys. Click into Post Message at the bottom to send the message. Of course, you will need to enter a subject and text first. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.